calling in, and this is in regard to the pollution problem and the pollution crisis here in the national capital. While the blame game continues, this is now the Samajwadi Party leader who has gone ahead and said that burning of dead bodies is contributing to pollution. That is R.K. Chaudhary making those remarks, and of course the BJP not having any of it as far as the Samajwadi Party leader is concerned, while referring to the issue of pollution, said that burning bodies release carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, and it burns the oxygen in the atmosphere. So therefore correlating it to the air pollution problem. But this is not about religion but the environment, is what he went on to say. Now the BJP is reacting to this. Giriraj Singh is saying that the man needs to change his religion.
पूरे देश में लाशें जलाई जाती हैं और लाशें जलती हैं तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है और कार्बन जलता है, नहीं ऑक्सीजन जलता है, खपत होती है। ये तो उल्टा हुआ। ऐसे लाशें जलती हैं और हमारा एक त्योहार है होली दहन का। पूरे देश में कम से कम 5 करोड़ स्थानों पे एक साथ होली दहन होता है। उससे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है, ऑक्सीजन निकलता है और नई ऑक्सीजन का खपत होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है, उससे नुकसानदायक है। तो कहीं न कहीं हमारा जो देश है वो पर्यावरण बहुत गंभीर नहीं है। जो सवाल आपने पूछा है तो सही, लेकिन मैं तो विस्तार से बता दिया कि हमारा देश कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड को खत्म करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा गंभीर नहीं है।
तो जो कह रहे हैं वो धर्म बदल लें। आर.के. चौधरी, मैं नहीं जानता हूं कि मुसलमान है कि हिंदू हैं। तो हिंदू धर्म में जलाने से हम तो एक ही जगह 3.5 हाथ, दूसरे धर्म में जो कब्र पे जाते हैं वो तो प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के लिए 3.5 हाथ जमीन लेते हैं।
उसमें क्या पोल्यूशन की बात आ गई कि उनको और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, गाड़ियों से पोल्यूशन नहीं दिख रहा है, पराली जलाने से पोल्यूशन नहीं दिख रहा है, बाकी सारी चीजें नहीं दिख रही हैं। उनको ये कहिए कि किसी तरह हिंदू धर्म पर एक अटैक करना है, इसलिए कुछ ना कुछ बोल दिया, अनाप शनाप बोल दिया। ये बहुत दुखद बात है कि ऐसी बातें लोग बोलते हैं।
Ishika joining us on the phone line. Ishika, remarks that have been made in jest perhaps are hurting sentiments. And of course, he's saying this is not about religion but the environment, and how the country is not very serious about tackling the pollution problem. He's, going on to say that burning bodies is also one of the reasons for pollution here in the national capital and areas around.
Well, yes, now we are seeing that the pollution politics has now, in fact, entered the religion also into this entire back and forth that we are seeing between the parties, the ruling and the opposition. Now, in fact, we are seeing that R.K. Chaudhary, who's the SP, Samajwadi Party MP, he has in fact commented on the Delhi pollution, and he has gone on to say that when bodies are burned, they release carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, and it burns oxygen in the atmosphere. Even during Holika Dahan, there is in fact pollution that we see, and the country, he goes on to say, is not serious about the air pollution. And that, in fact, this is not about the religion, but it is about tackling pollution. But on that, in fact, we have seen how Giriraj Singh, who is in fact the union minister, he has commented, and he has gone on to say that, R.K. Chaudhary should change his religion. He doesn't know whether he is Hindu or Muslim. So certainly now we are seeing that the pollution politics has now turned into a rather verbal spat on the religion. The religion politics, is what has now intensified over this matter. We have another reaction that has come from Manan Kumar Mishra, who is again a BJP MP. He has gone on to say that R.K. Chaudhary cannot see the pollution that is coming from the vehicles, the stubble burning. He just wants to launch an attack on the Hindu religion, and that is why he's giving such misleading statements. And this is very sad coming from an MP. So, it is certainly unfortunate when the people on the ground, they are struggling to breathe fresh air, and the air quality index continues to oscillate between the very poor category to severe category, while our netas bicker now on the religion politics. Over to you.